everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Tapushi Karmakar. This is my channel Pure Biology, and today I discussed about the cardiac conduction system. Okay, and in my previous video I explained about different topics related to heart or circulatory system. You just check out that videos. Okay, so let's start. Today's topic is the cardiac conduction system. First, we all know that our heart is continuously it contracted and relaxed. Okay, contraction and relaxation is occurring continuously in our heart system. Okay, and this is obviously a rhythmic type. Okay, it is a rhythmic type and it is not controlled by the outside signal. Okay, it is not controlled by the outside signal. Some fibers that are very important and present all over the heart, different parts of the heart, and that control the muscular contraction and the relaxation in the rhythmic way in the heart, and that's why it continuously pumping the blood throughout the body from the different parts to the heart and also the heart to the different body parts. Okay, and these are very important three fibers. One is the AVnode. That is called the Atrial node. Suppose this is heart. One kind of you explain. Just not consider is heart. Okay, but it is a rough structure for explaining about how this is possible. So suppose this is auricle, this is ventricle, this is ventricle. Okay. So one is right, another is left. So here this one I think this one is the right and this one is the right, this one is the left and this one is the left. Clear? So in that situation you can see that the AVnode is present just upper side of the atrium. Okay, upper side of the atrium, and it's a continuous generally AVnode that produce the impulses, or you can say the action potentials. And what is the action potentials? I explained in my previous video. You just check out that what is the action potential. First of all, you see this action potential is produced by the AVnode. So this AVnode due to the production of the action potentials continuously, the atrium is contracted and relaxed. Okay, is contract and relax, and in a rhythmic way. Obviously, in a rhythmic way. And if this any damages is occurring, if any damages is occurring in this AVnode, just present, this is called the sinoatrial node or AVnode. Though what happened, the impulses cannot be produced by the AVnode. AVnode cannot produce the impulses. Okay, and as a result, what happens? The rhythmicity of the heart or the contraction relaxation process that becomes disturbed, but it not stopped. Why it's not stopped? Because there are another fibers that are very important also. These control this rhythmicity, but the rhythmicity of the heart that becomes slower, not be faster, because maximum impulses, that is 70 to 75 times per minute, that is produced by the AVnode. So AVnode actually acts as the natural pacemaker. So in that situation, in absence of AVnode, another fibers that are also present, like the AVnode bundle of HIS and Parkinson fibers, but they cannot control the rhythmicity in the proper way. And in that situation, what happened, or what we have to need the artificial pacemaker. That acts like the AVnode. That means it has the capability to produce the impulses in a continuous way. Okay, but it has one effect, you can say, that with the artificial pacemaker we cannot go out in the rainy season, obviously, where the lightning is possible occurring, okay, because this directly affect on the artificial pacemaker, because artificial pacemaker, what's the function? The electric current production. So what happened, that during the lightning it affects on the artificial pacemaker and damage to the heart. Clear? So this is the artificial pacemaker's role. But you know that natural pacemaker, AVnode, it is also important because it also acts like the pacemaker, but it has no side effect, or we easily can go out, we easily go out in the rain, okay. So this is the AVnode's function. Next we learn about the AVnode. What is AVnode? AVnode is the atrioventricular node. Atrioventricular node. This atrioventricular node, it is situated, just located in the interatrial septum. You know the septum, what is called the septum? Between the place, this middle place, by which one ventricle is separated from the another ventricle, and one auricle or atrium that is separated from another atrium. So this is called the septum. So the AVnode that is located in interatrial septum, that means between the two septum, interatrial septum, okay. And next one, and it also helps to produce the impulses that is helpful for the contraction and relaxation of the atrial chambers. Clear? Next one is the bundle of HIS. What is the bundle of HIS? This is another kind of fibers, and from the AVnode, the action potential that enters the bundle of HIS, and it is called the atrioventricular bundle, okay, atrioventricular bundle, and this is the site from where the action potential can move from the atria to the ventricle. Clear? This is the place, only this is the site from where the action potential transfers from the atrium to the ventricle, atrium to the ventricle, and it divides to form the right and the left branches and travel down to the septum. Okay, it divides, not it is fixed in one side. It divides into left and right to form the branches. Why it form the branches? To transport the action potential for the heart's activity. Clear? Next one is the Purkinje fiber. This is another small terminal fiber, and that extends from the bundle of HIS, and it spread throughout the ventricular myocardium. Okay, you just can say the ventricular chamber. Okay, ventricular chamber. And what is the function of this? It rapidly conducts the AP, or the action potential. This is the action potential, beginning at the apex. Apex means heart's apex, to the upward side, to the heart remainder of the ventricular myocardium. That is from the apex towards the lower part of the ventricles. Clear? So these are the four. These are the four fibers that are very important for the cardiac conduction system, and you obviously know what is the cardiac conduction system. Okay, and here one thing is that the cardiac muscle fibers, these are called the autorhythmic fibers. Okay, these are called the autorhythmic fibers. Why? These are the self-excitable. No outside signal is necessary here for the contraction and relaxation, or for producing the action potential, or producing the any impulse. They can produce the action potential and transfer this action potential from the parts of the different parts of the heart. Okay, from AVnode to the Purkinje fibers. Here, so due to presence of these fibers, actually heart's pumping system is possible. Otherwise, if maximum capability of heart's pumping system depends on the AVnode. Okay, that is the sinoatrial node. Okay, and these are obviously needed, but these actually acts its not fully. That means it's in absence of this AVnode, they cannot control the heart pumping system, because rhythmicity becomes slows down. Okay, so that's why the cardiac conduction system is possible. We learn here that cardiac conduction system is possible due to presence of this fibers. I think you can understand about this cardiac system, and you just check my another videos that are related to the heart's topic, and I will try to, these are all part related to the physiology, and I will try to explain either biochemistry or the genetics, any part of the genetics or the biochemistry in my next video. If you like this topic and explanation, obviously you can subscribe my channel and share with your friends.